Good day and welcome to Frontline Business. I'm Michael Sharp. JP Tropical Group says it's moving to secure its employees and operations in the wake of 3 communities in St. Mary being placed under quarantine. JP Tropical Group is one of the largest private employers in St. Mary. JP Tropical Group has initiated discussions with the authorities to ensure minimal impact to its farm operations, which are just outside of the affected area. Managing Director of JP Tropical Group, David Martin, says a plan is also in place to ensure the company is able to meet the demands of its trade partners and consumers. The Wysinco Group is reporting lower net profit for its third quarter, which ended on March 31. It amounted to $580 million, down from $694 million during the same period last year. However, revenues for the quarter were up 23.5% at $8.1 billion. Wysinco says while March began with positive performance, the latter part of the month was impacted by the coronavirus. Although revenues in April were lower than original targets, they were better than anticipated at the beginning of the month. Wysinco is expecting an uptick demand for some of its beverages this month and June, which should increase the gross margin. Separate made a net profit of $647 million in its first quarter ended March 31. That was an increase of $197 million or 44% over the corresponding period in 2019. Separate says this was due largely to efforts made in prior years to strengthen the business fundamentals. These included consolidation of the dairy factories, increasing exports, and expanding the distribution footprint through the acquisition of the Facey consumer business. During the quarter, revenues went up by 6% to $9.14 billion. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 679 points to close just under 400,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 80 stocks, of which 37 advanced, 30 declined, and 13 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 1.20 points to close at over 2,000 units. Stocks advanced for Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Caribbean Cream, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Elite Diagnostic, and Everything Fresh. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living Jamaica, 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Burrito Investments, and Berger Paints Jamaica. Trading firm were Cargo Handlers, Carreras Epley 7.5% preferential shares, GWest Corporation, and iWest Limited ordinary shares. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited was the volume leader with 5.5 million units, followed by Wysinco Group Limited ordinary shares with 1.8 million units, and Pulse Investments Limited with 1.5 million units. And now the foreign exchange. Oil prices slid nearly $1 a barrel on Monday as concern over persistent glut and economic gloom caused by the coronavirus pandemic combined to cancel out support from supply cuts at some of the world's top producers. Brent crude futures were down 73 cents to settle at $30.24 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate fell 81 cents to settle at $23.93 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. I'm Michael Sharp, wishing you pleasant viewing.